Hey guys, and welcome to the Sven and Lumis Adventures. Today we will take a look at how to make our own dried meat. First thing you will need is a nice piece of beef like. Take it, wash it, and then remove all this white film. When you have the most of the meat cleaned, then you need to prepare your spices. Mix all spices together and then cover the whole meat in them. When you are done, take a big bowl and cover its bottom with salt. Then take your meat and put it in. Then you have to cover the whole meat in the salt. Then you will have to take foil and cover the whole bowl in it. Once you are done, take the bubble and put it in the fridge for 2 weeks. So, it's been 2 weeks, let's take a look on our meat. We've got the meat all tied up, so let's hang it in the basement. So, it's been 10 days since we put our meat to dry in the air. Now, let's take a look. As you can see, the meat went from 1.8 kilograms to 1 kilogram. It lost nearly 800 milliliters of water.